We are back on a Saturday morning with our week-long series, The Future of Travel. You've probably been dreaming of getting away on vacation, and that time could be coming sooner than you think, with more people getting vaccinated every day.
So can you go anywhere now? And if not, what about this summer? It's a question a lot of families and folks are asking. Senior NBC medical correspondent Dr. John Torres is here to answer all of those questions for you this morning. Dr. Torres, good morning. Let's get right to this because folks got a lot of questions today. First, we want to get to Jim and Alyssa in Virginia. They ask, how do we safely plan a spring break trip?
And you have to be very careful, Peter, because as you know, the numbers are still high. We're still around 60,000 cases a day here in the U.S. And so you have to look at a couple things. Number one, the CDC recommends no non-essential travel. So they're recommending against taking vacations by going somewhere else. But at the same time, if you do go somewhere, you want to choose your destination wisely. Look at the cases there. Look at the outbreaks that might be happening there and where you're coming from. And also look at the quarantine requirements going back and forth. Is there something you're going to need to do or testing? So simply consider a staycation, Peter. That's still probably the best thing to do until we start getting more things under control and more people vaccinated.
Well, I think folks who do want to travel are going to pay attention to this one. Yadira from New Jersey asks, will vaccine passports be available soon and when?
And Kristen, I think the answer to that is, will they be available soon enough? And we don't know yet at this point. There are three entities working on vaccine passports. The AITA, which is the Airline Industries Association, the Common Pass, which is more of an international one, and the IBM Digital Health Pass, which is also going to be used around the world. I've been talking to IBM Digital Health Pass, and they say right now they have mechanisms in place, and they actually are testing it in New York State. But as far as countrywide, there's no mechanism to get that information from the CDC or other entities to them. Right now we have these vaccine passport cards that once you get your vaccine, you get these cards. And the question is, or the concern is, they're very forgeable, so they don't want to use those. They need somebody like the CDC giving them information. Talking to the CDC last week, they're saying they don't have those mechanisms in place yet, but they're looking at how to do that and when to do it, but they couldn't give me a timeline. So again, the answer here is we don't know exactly when that's going to happen. And the bigger question is it going to happen soon enough for summer travel? It's still unknown, but a lot of countries are going to be looking at that.
All right, Dr. Torres, this one's about children, and it comes from Janice in Illinois. She writes, because children will likely be the last ones to get vaccinated right now, and there she is with hers, when will it be safe for them to fly again?
And you're right, they're doing studies on children right now. So 16 and above can get their vaccines, but below that age, they're doing studies on them. And the current thinking is that for children 12 to 16, by the summertime, fall time of this year, 2021, they'll be able to get vaccinated. The hope is they can get vaccinated before they go back to school in the fall. But for those under 12, especially those under the age of 5, we're looking at probably early 2022, maybe late 2021. Those studies are still ongoing. And of course, we want to make sure, Peter, that they're safe and effective before we give them to the children, just like they're safe and effective for adults. We think they're going to be, but we have to wait for those human trials, Peter.
Yeah, absolutely. Patience required there. All right. Well, this one from Gloria in Virginia. How will international travel work, Dr. Torres?
And that's a fantastic question, and it's going to depend completely on which countries you go to. As you saw earlier, Japan is already saying that you cannot go there for the Olympics if you're just a spectator. Other countries are saying if you have the vaccine, you can come in. You're not going to have to quarantine, or if you can test before you come in. But again, we talked about the vaccine passports might not be ready by then. So be prepared to quarantine. Going to where you're going, be prepared to quarantine coming back, but also be prepared that these things could change at a moment's notice. And so you want to make sure that if you do plan a vacation, if you're getting hotels, if you're getting airline tickets, that you get these things that are refundable, because things could change very quickly and you could all of a sudden be shut out and hopefully not be out of money.
Dr. Torres, always appreciate you being on call for us. Have a good weekend. Thanks so much.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Find your favorite recipes, celebrity interviews, uplifting stories, shop our favorite deals, and so much more with the Today app. Download it now.